Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up affiliate marketing with ShareASale step by step clearly. Start by visiting the ShareASale website. Click on the affiliate sign up button located on the home page. Fill out the required fields to create your account. Make sure to provide accurate information, as this will be used for verification. After submitting your application, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your ShareASale account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as it will be your main control center. Navigate to the Merchants tab to explore available affiliate programs. Use the search function to find specific merchants or browse by category. After finding a suitable merchant, click on their program name. Review the program details, including commission structure and requirements. If it meets your criteria, click the Join Program button. Wait for approval from the merchant, which can take a few hours to a few days. Once approved, return to your dashboard to access your affiliate links. Locate the Links tab to generate tracking links for the products you want to promote. Copy the unique affiliate link provided for each product or merchant. Now, decide where you will promote these links, such as a blog, website, or social media. Create engaging content that features your affiliate links naturally. Consider using various formats like articles, videos, or social media posts. Monitor your performance regularly through the ShareASale dashboard. Review your earnings, clicks, and conversions to optimize your strategy. Stay in touch with your chosen merchants for updates and promotional opportunities. Experiment with different promotional techniques to see what works best for your audience. Remember to adhere to compliance guidelines in your promotions. As you gain experience, refine your approach to maximize your affiliate earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.